Hey everyone, it's Lexus. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you some of the meals that I ate today. All of them are vegan and they're very easy to whip up. You probably have some of these ingredients in your fridge or in your freezer already. And I've been eating a lot more healthier foods lately because, during the quarantine, a lot of us want to snack. And I have been one of those people. So I just wanted to do something different and eat more clean today. So let's hop right into it. So I started my day off with a fresh acai bowl. And I'm using these acai packets that I got from Trader Joe's. But if you don't have it, it's okay. You can use frozen banana and just blend it with different berries like blackberries, strawberries, and blueberries. I'm also using some frozen banana and some apple juice. So I'm adding 2 packets of the acai and 1 small frozen banana and a little bit of apple juice because you want it to be thick. So I didn't add too much. And now I'm just blending that up. And here comes the fun part. You get to top it with anything that you like. I'm adding some fresh coconut flakes. These are unsweetened, some strawberries, and some granola. For lunch, I made some meatball hero subs. And for that, you're going to need some vegan meatballs. You can make your own, or you can use this gardein Italian meatball. And I'm using this spaghetti sauce, 1 small yellow onion, and this is optional, but I like to add a splash of hot sauce in my spaghetti sauce, some vegan parmesan cheese, and vegan mozzerella. Oh, and don't forget the bread rolls, of course. So I'm sauteing the yellow onion in a little bit of oil, and towards the end of cooking, I'm adding a teaspoon of minced garlic, and now I'm adding the jar of spaghetti sauce. I bring that to a simmer, and once it's simmering, I'm adding the meatballs. I'm just going to let that cook down for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to assemble the buns. I'm adding 3 meatballs to each bun, and I'm going to top it with the vegan mozzarella and the parmesan cheese. And then I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees just until the cheese is melted, so about 10 minutes. Later on, I made something lighter. I had a beet and quinoa salad with a Dijon dressing. So I'm starting off by roasting a beet. I just added about a half teaspoon of oil to it. And now I'm wrapping it in foil and I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. And I'm cooking this quinoa according to the package. I got this quinoa from Trader Joe's. And while that was cooking, I prepared the dressing for the quinoa. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of agave, 3 tablespoons of whole grain Dijon mustard. You can use any type of Dijon mustard, but this is my favorite. 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of za'atar seasoning, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm adding a handful of green onions, and I diced up the beets. I'm going to add those in here as well. And I'm going to top it off with the dressing, and I'm only adding a little bit of dressing at a time. I give it a mix, and then I add more as I go along. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you make any of these recipes, you can tag me at @9namtofitness on Twitter or on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!